Hey, what's up, CompSci community? I'm back with day number 23 of my 100 Days of Code challenge. So today I was really tired because I was up late doing homework, so I didn't get a whole lot of coding done, but I did make sure that I got at least half an hour in. So that way it at least counted toward this challenge, and I still learned something today. So today on Team Treehouse I learned more about advanced selectors with CSS. I learned how to use the first, last, and only child pseudo classes. I learned how to target substrings with begins with, ends with, and contains. And I also learned how to target element states such as active, disabled, and checked. Alright, well that's all for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.